Hi all, this is Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today is Workout Monday, and I'm going to be doing some exercise with the dumbbells today. But before we get started, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So I'm going to be doing 5 exercises, but the series consists of 13, but I'm going to be doing 5 today. And I'm going to be using 8-pound dumbbells and 5-pound dumbbells. We'll be doing 10 reps of each exercise, and then the second set off air. So the first exercise is the dumbbell squat. It works your legs. We're going to be using the 5-pound dumbbells. Let's get started. Move the chair out the way. Legs shoulder width apart. Bend at the knees. Weights up. Ready to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So turn to the side so you can see it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One to grow on. All right, first time doing the exercise, so I might not at my best form. So it takes some practice to get that coordinated, squatting and lifting weights at the same time. Next exercise is the bend over rows. Works the back. I'm going to use my 5-pound dumbbells. Do it forward and backwards. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One to grow on. All right. The next one is dumbbell press. I'm going to be using 8-pound dumbbells. Chest exercise. Make sure you do slow motion movement on this one. I'm going to be laying on the bench on this one. Chair out the way. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One to grow on. All right. Whew, that was a dingy there. Actually, my favorite workout or exercise is weightlifting, but I know I need to incorporate cardio to burn the fat. Alrighty, so the next one is seated shoulder press. 5-pound dumbbells. I'm going to be doing it on the end of the weight bench. Let me bring it up a little bit so you can see. Works your shoulders. Meet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One to grow on. Little thing I do, one to grow on. I like that. All right. Whew. All right. So the last one is the bicep curls. With the 8-pound weights, slow control movement. Shoulders back, feet shoulder width apart. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One to grow on. All right. Whew, that concludes my workout. So I'm going to be doing another set after I talk with you guys. I get off air and incorporate weightlifting at least 2 to 3 times a week along with my cardio, and I'll be doing fine. I mean, I'll be fine. So hope you can use this workout to help you get in shape and get some muscles. Anywho, I'm going to link the video information in my description below, and you can check it out. It's actually consists of 13 exercises. I only did 5 today, and I'll do the other remainder another time. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.